A hot air balloon works based on a fundamental principle of physics. Hot air rises because it's less dense than cold air. Here's a detailed explanation of how a hot air balloon works. Main parts of a hot air balloon envelope: the large fabric balloon that holds the air. Burner heats the air inside the envelope using propane gas. Basket. The compartment below where people stand, usually made of wicker for strength and lightness. Step by step. How it works. 1. Inflation, filling with air. The balloon starts on the ground. A fan blows cold air into the envelope to inflate it partially. Once it's puffed up, the burner is turned on to heat the air inside. 2. Heating the air. The burner produces a large flame that heats the air inside the envelope. Hot air becomes less dense. Molecules move faster and spread out. Since the hot air is lighter than the cooler air outside the balloon, it creates lift. 3. Lift off. When the air inside is hot enough, the total weight of the balloon becomes less than the weight of the cool air it displaces. This causes the balloon to rise, much like an ice cube floats in water because it's less dense. 4. Controlling altitude. To go higher, the pilot turns on the burner to heat the air more. To descend, the pilot opens a vent at the top, parachute valve, to let some hot air out, cooling the air and reducing lift. 5. Steering. Balloons can't steer like cars or planes. Pilots change altitude to find different wind directions at various layers of the atmosphere. Wind blows in different directions at different heights, so by rising or falling, the pilot can navigate the balloon horizontally. 6. Landing. The pilot gradually cools the air to descend. Crew on the ground often help guide the landing and catch the basket when it touches down. Science behind it. Buoyancy and Archimedes' principle. A balloon floats when the weight of the hot air inside plus the balloon is less than the weight of the cold air it displaces. The upward force, lift, equals weight of displaced air, weight of balloon, and contents. Quick summary. Step action. Result 1. Inflate, fill with cold air balloon. Take shape. 2. Heat burner. Heats air. Air becomes lighter. 3. Lift, hot air rises. Balloon takes off. 4. Control, heat up or cool air. Adjust height. 5. Navigate, use wind layers. Change direction. Cease. Landlet, hot air. Escape, gradual descent.